How's it going, guys? I hope you're having a great day. Today you guys are getting a bonus video for this week. This is from last year when we installed a sound system on our second Gen Tacoma. Alright guys, so we got the truck right here and it's ready to get installed. Daniel, tell us a little bit of what's going to go on it, and
So we're going to be doing your reference 500Q installation. So that's the heart of our system, our multi-channel DSP amplifier, a dedicated sub-amplifier. This is our SP option that we're offering. A quick sync wiring harness for plug and play, maintaining all the functionality of your vehicle. Not going to compromise any of that, as well as the complete speaker replacement. All right, so we're doing your rear speakers with a 6.5-inch coaxial. We're doing your front speakers with a 6x9 woofer, as well as a 1-inch soft-end tweeter, which is also in your front door for the second generation Tacoma.
Okay, nice, man. I'm really looking forward to hearing it on my car.
It's all about the results. You know that, man.
And we actually tested it on, at the Toyota Jamboree. I got to test it in your truck, and that thing sounded sweet. So I've been looking forward to it. And
when I was curious, man, I mean, what made you like? Okay, you got to taste it. You got to hear it. What made you land on this option, if you don't mind me asking?
On the option of getting it installed.
Like why this system? I mean, you heard it. I mean, you've heard other setups. You've had other setups. Why'd you land on this?
The sound was so crisp and clear. I really like hearing music. And there's always, when you want to, when you get excited from that one song and you want to just turn it up a notch, sometimes the noise it doesn't really perform the way it's supposed to. And when you gave me the option to really crank up that volume and just really, get every sound out of that song, it was just awesome, man.
And what you're touching on is the fidelity.
Yes.
A lot of us don't think, hey, I want like a highly refined system. It almost sounds like you're trading loudness for clarity, right?
Exactly.
But when you hear clarity, it just allows you to open it up, like you're saying. There's plenty of headroom and you can go nuts with it.
Yeah.
Well, anyways, bro, let's get to it, man.
I'm gonna have so much fun driving back. I'm gonna have so much fun.
That's the only other thing. It's so clean, you're gonna forget how loud it is.
Yeah.
And you get desensitized when you're driving, so be careful.
Okay.
The music is gonna take you, and you're gonna forget everything around you.
Alright guys, we just tested the sound system in my truck, and the thing is sounding incredible. It's awesome. It's got this smile on my face. I'm really excited to drive back to Florida, and it's gonna be an awesome ride. Thank you, Daniel, for having that installed in a truck, and man, it's gonna be sweet. And if you guys are gonna be going to the IBOC event, you guys will be able to test it out, or anywhere you see the truck, you guys just ask me or one of my team members, and you guys will be able to go in the truck and we'll jump out together. So it's gonna be cool.
How true is that? It's accurate. It's accurate.
All right, let's do it. All right, guys, we're here at TV's West Coast Bound. Everyone's setting up. We have T-Rex right here, Spider Auto. We got OEM Audio Plus, our booth right here. Things are starting to look real good. Come check out some of the sponsored raffle products that we have. We still have more to come. This is just the beginning. We're getting set up. Yeah, just check it out right here. Yeah. We're here at the Tacoma Beast event at IBOC, and so far we've had a great turnout. I'm really happy with the way things turned out. I'm really excited, and I can't wait for next year to just keep making it better. Thank you guys for coming.